My name is Roger Ballen. I'm a photographic artist living in Johannesburg, South Africa. For the past 6 years, I've been working on a project, Asylum of the Birds. I'm fascinated by birds. They link the heavens to the earth. On my way to the asylum house, I'll often stop at witch doctor markets, scrap yards, and pawn shops at various corners of the city in search of odds and ends that I can use in my photographs or provide for those in need. The locations I work in are unsafe, so one has to have a way with people to survive in this business. The Asylum of the Birds house is surrounded by squatter camps, mine dumps, and abandoned fields. When I arrive at the asylum and pass through the doors, I enter another universe, a world haunting and complex, bordering on dreams and reality. A place in which birds and other animals mingle with its human inhabitants. Yanni, where are you? Is that you, Yanni? No.
Hello.
We go and take some pictures soon. Finish your bath and then we can take some pictures. Okay, see you soon. Okay, goodbye, Yanni. We go take some pictures soon.
Okay.
You got to finish your bath first. Photographing birds has been a challenge. They move incessantly, get nervous at the click of the camera, and fly in different directions. They do not trust humans, and one cannot fathom what goes through their minds. Give them instructions, or expect them to be interested in being photographed. You don't have to hold them too hard, just soft. It's a nice bird. And you can look straight this way, that's the way. Look straight that way. Hold the bird just a little bit like that. Stay this way, that's perfect now. Perfect. That way? Perfect. Look at me, turn your head around, down. Hold the bird's moving around too much. Turn his head. Ah, there it goes. There it goes. John, see that over there?
Yeah.
It needs a drawing. I don't like it the way it is. Go try to do a drawing. Go ahead. Make a face. Make a monkey face. Draw some sort of face. Put some ears and some teeth in it. Big teeth. Great. That's looking good. Thanks, Jan. Oh, that's great. Yeah, it's much better now. Much better. Yeah, that's fine. We can probably take a shot in a while. That's great. Thanks. Archetypal symbols from the deeper levels of the human subconscious pervade my photographs. This place is untamable. It has its own rules and functions according to its own laws. When I create photographs, I often travel deep into my own interior, a place where dreams and many of my images originate. I see my photographs as mirrors, reflectors, connectors that challenge the mind.
Okay. Wait. Okay. Dra masker sodat ons nie ons gesigte kan brand nie. Ja. Hey.
Bye. Great seeing you guys. I hope to come by soon again. Take care of yourselves. Have a good evening. I hope to see you guys next week sometime. Be well. Take care. Bye. See you soon. Take care. Be well. The light comes from the dark.